What new investment risks does technology create? Have you ever thought about how technology can change the way we invest? It brings exciting opportunities, but it also introduces new risks that we must consider. Let's take a closer look at these risks and how they relate to wise investing and long-term financial discipleship. First, technology often leads to increased volatility and speculation. Think about cryptocurrencies and tech startups. Their prices can swing wildly in a short time. This kind of volatility can tempt investors into risky behaviors. Proverbs 13:11 warns us that wealth gained quickly can disappear just as fast. As Christian investors, it is important to focus on steady and wise investment strategies rather than gambling with our resources. Next, we have complexity and lack of transparency. Many new technologies, like blockchain and artificial intelligence, are complicated. This makes it hard to fully understand what we are investing in. Investing without clear knowledge can lead to poor decisions. Stewardship calls for careful understanding before committing our resources. Then there are cybersecurity and fraud risks. Technology-based investments are more vulnerable to cyber attacks and hacking. Digital assets can be stolen or lost due to security breaches. It is essential to be vigilant and avoid schemes that seem too good to be true. Protecting our investments is a key part of managing money wisely. Regulatory uncertainty is another risk. Technology evolves quickly, often outpacing government regulations. This can lead to sudden changes in laws that affect technology companies or digital assets. Recognizing that external factors can impact our returns is part of wise investing. Trusting God while exercising prudence is vital in these situations. Ethical and moral considerations also come into play. Technology can raise questions about privacy, environmental impact, and the social effects of automation. As Christian investors, we may face decisions about investing in companies that conflict with our values. Aligning our investments with our faith commitments is important, even if it means accepting different risk or return profiles. Finally, technology can cause market disruption and obsolescence. Established industries can be disrupted quickly, leading to losses in previously stable investments. Conversely, new technologies may not gain traction, resulting in losses as well. This uncertainty highlights the need for diversification and a long-term perspective. Trusting in God's provision rather than solely relying on human foresight is essential. To navigate these new risks, here are some practical applications for Christian investors. First, diversify your investments to avoid putting all your resources into highly volatile tech assets. Second, seek to understand the technology and its risks before investing. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and focus on steady growth. Consider the ethical implications of your investments and align your choices with your biblical values. Lastly, trust God in the face of uncertainty, knowing that all investments carry risk. By keeping these considerations in mind, we can navigate the new risks technology creates while being faithful stewards of our resources. Wise investing is part of our long-term financial discipleship.